Nagkakilala kami 2008. Nagpa-bebe po ako ng mga 2 years bago ko siya sagutin. So, in total, 15 years po kaming magkakilala na.
On this day, after almost 15 years of waiting and enduring life's struggles together, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude.
Hindi lang halata, pero napaka-loyal niya sa akin. Wala akong naging problema in terms of loyalty. Talagang ako lang din talaga. Wala akong nahuli. Chas!
See you later, be. Libre mo ako. I love you. Rolex. Ano kayo, advice ko sa inyo. Maghanap kayo ng papakasalan ng magre-regalo doon ng Rolex.
Ayan na! This wedding gift comes in a bundle with unlimited back massage. I hope it reminds you the day our relationship as BFGF ends and our life as husband and wife begins. Bayad na to, pero wag mo isangla.
Jelaika, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Von Paulo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Will you both love and honor each other as man and wife for the rest of your lives?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Ang easy lang kasama, hindi ka magpapanggap kung sino ka. Yun lang. Kung ano ka, be yourself, and siya din. And yun po yung isa sa mga nasabi ko na siya na, kasi ang gaan lang kasama, ang easy lang kasama, hindi ka magpapanggap kung sino ka.
But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you.
Thank you for being there for me, even when I am unreasonable. In these 13 years of being in a relationship with you, I have learned so many things about you.
True colors, beautiful.
Napakabait mong anak. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Proud na proud kami sa iyo.
Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo niyo na ginawa sa akin. Wala ako dito ngayon sa kinakatayuan ko, kundi dahil sa inyo. Kayo ang aking inspirasyon. Kayo ang aking pamantayan ng mag-asawa. Kayo ang aking idol. Kaya maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
I'll be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you, so don't be afraid.
Let us now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Von Paulo and Jelaika Arceo to their new life as husband and wife. Von Paulo, you may now kiss your wife.
Ang promise ko sa'yo, siyempre naggambasa ka dito, di ba? Hindi ko sasayangin tong kasal na to, habang buhay na to.
Because love is not a feeling, it is a choice. Kasi I'm sure you don't feel always overwhelmed, joyful. Hindi ka laging passionate about your love. Sabi nga ng Ben and Ben, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Hindi ito about mamahalin ka sa araw-araw. Ito kahit wala ng pagmamahal, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin niya. And remember na it is God who made way para sa inyong dalawa. Kaya kayo narito.
You and I, we don't wanna be like them. We can make it till the end. Nothing can come between you and
With you, I found my home, and today, I promise to be your unwavering companion, your confidant and your greatest ally. Here's to the next chapter of our extraordinary love story for all the years to come.
Cause you and we don't wanna be like them. We can make it till the end. And nothing can come between you and I. Not even the gods.
Love isn't always sunshines and rainbows. Here's to embracing both the joy the life throws our way, and in the end, choosing you over and over every day. I love you.